If Photoshop is showing the error Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0.Dll is missing, don't worry, because in most cases this is not really a Photoshop problem. It usually means the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime is missing or damaged on your computer. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most effective fix step by step, and I'll also show you what to avoid so you don't make the issue worse. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, it helps to understand what this error actually means. When Photoshop tries to open and Windows can't find the required runtime file, the app may fail to launch and show this missing DLL message. Instead of downloading random DLL files from the internet, the correct fix is to install the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package. This is the main solution, and it fixes the error in most cases. To begin, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2015 to 2022. Make sure you are downloading it from the official Microsoft website only. This is important because third-party DLL download sites can be unsafe and may contain broken files, viruses, or malware, so always use Microsoft's official download page. On the download page, you will usually see two versions available. One is x64 and the other is x86. You need to install both versions, even if your computer is 64-bit. The x64 version helps with 64-bit programs, and the x86 version supports 32-bit components that some applications still depend on. Installing both gives you the best chance of fixing the missing runtime error completely. Download the x64 installer first, then download the x86 installer. Once both files are saved to your computer, run the x64 installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Then follow the setup prompts and complete the installation. After that, run the x86 installer and do the same thing. Even if one of them says it is already installed, that's okay. The goal is to make sure the runtime files are present and properly registered on your system. After both installations are finished, restart your PC. This step is very important because Windows needs to reload the system components and apply the runtime changes. Many people skip the restart and then think the fix didn't work, but in reality, the computer simply hasn't refreshed the updated files yet. Once your PC starts back up, try opening Photoshop again. In most cases, the missing Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-0.Dll error should now be gone, and Photoshop should launch normally. If the program opens successfully, that means the Visual C++ runtime was the issue and you fixed it correctly. Now, let me quickly remind you what not to do. Do not download individual DLL files from random websites. That may seem like a fast solution, but it can cause security problems, create version mismatches, or lead to more errors later. The safe and correct method is always to install the official Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package instead of replacing a single DLL manually. If you still see the error after installing both versions and restarting, double check that the install is completed properly and that you use the official Microsoft files. In some cases, running Windows Update can also help because missing system components may be restored during an update. But for most users, the Visual C++ installation alone solves the problem. So to recap, the fix is simple. Download Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2015 to 2022. Install both x64 and x86. Restart your computer and avoid random DLL download sites. That's the safest way to resolve this Photoshop error and get back to work without risking your system. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes and easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.